Now theorem 10.6, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Means two chords are equal. See the figure here, we consider AB and PQ, both the chords which are equal in length, and we have to show that the distance of both the chords is same, equidistance from the center. And when we consider the distance of a line from a point, we have to draw the perpendicular here, this perpendicular distance and this perpendicular distance. If O is the center, then OM, and let it is N. OM and ON, these points are equal, these segments are equal. This thing we have to show here. Again join the radii to form the triangles in both sides. Now here again we have to consider the triangles for the proof. Before that, write down the given thing. O is center, AB is equals to PQ, the chords are equal. Again OM is perpendicular on AB, ON is perpendicular on PQ. These things are given. To prove, distance of a chords from center means OM is equals to ON. These two distances are equal. This thing we have to show here. Now write down the proof. Again here we consider the triangles. Now consider triangle OMB and triangle OONQ. These two triangles, any triangle we have to consider here. Firstly we consider both the lines are equal. AB is equals to PQ, it is given. If both the segments are equal, their half parts are also equal. Means half of AB is equals to half of PQ. Half of AB means AM or MB is equals to half of PQ means PN or NQ. Both are also equal. Now you can consider the triangle OAMO and triangle ONQ. In these two triangles, AM is equals to NQ, अभी आपने write किया. OA is equals to OQ. These are the radii of same circle. Again these are the right angle triangles, means RHS rule you can use here. These are the hypotenuse and it is one side, and by RHS criteria you can show that the triangles are congruent. Consider any pair, means this pair or this pair. Four triangles are formed. From this triangle consider one triangle, and from this triangle consider one triangle. In triangle AMO and triangle PNO. Now firstly we consider here we consider QNO, triangle QNO. Now AM is equals to NQ, जो आपने अभी भी प्रूव किया था from above. Next OA is equals to OQ, radii of same circle. Also angle AMO is equals to angle QNO is equals to 90 degree, means both the triangles are right angle triangle, and these are the hypotenuse, these are the sides, means by RHS criteria the triangles are equal, congruent. QNO criteria is RHS, and if the triangles are congruent you can say that the corresponding parts are equal, means OM is equals to ON. Perpendicular distance of the chords are equal.